mind.
Noblemind Academy students, you are welcome to this next episode, which is called Mockup. What is Mockup? Follow me by watching these videos, and you're going to understand what is Mockup. I believe you have seen most of it in your environment, in videos. How are they making this? You are going to see it. You are going to enjoy it. This is your bottle. Take coffee and what? And let's dive straight into the class. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello everyone, let's drive straight directly into our Canva. After opening your Canva, you are making use of Canva. You have your Canva already. So when you open your Canva, you come directly. You already open your Canva. This is the interface that your Canva will bring you. Now this is the new interface. So you open your Canva already. So you come to this place, more. You can see it now, more. So you click on it. When you click on it, it will bring all these brand name. These are what it will bring for you. You see brand, apps, dream lab, classroom, design school. But in today's class, we are making use of the apps class. That's what we are making use of. This is it, apps. You press on the app. So after clicking on it, let's see what it's going to bring for us. I don't want this class to be too long, so that you won't feel boring. But no matter how, you are not feeling boring with class now. Noblemind Academy. These are the things we are unlocking. Most especially, we need our younger ones, your children. Let them know about this page. That's what we want to unlock a lot of things. You know, when you teach your younger ones, they have nothing on their head. You will see what they will do. Just teach them two things. They are going to utilize it in many ways. That's what we are here for. We don't kill a dream, but we let you know your purpose in Noblemind Academy. We have a lot of younger ones here. Young children, if you see what they are creating, just we teach them one thing. You will see they are very creative. They need to be. You will see the kind of things they are building. And you see the kind of flyers, the kind of AI. Yeah, just teach them one thing. Now, this interface is going to bring you. Is going to bring you. This is the interface. You can see it now. You now come and press these three lines you are seeing in the left side. You press it. That's where we are going. Now you press it, you will see what we call mockups. This is it. Yeah, I believe you are seeing it. You click on it. So by clicking on it, it's going to bring you directly to where you can see a lot of mockups. You can see that. You can see on that search bar, you see 8,000 plus mockups. You can see a lot of C desktops, laptops, tablets, watches, TV and screens, e-readers, and a lot of things. Okay, now, so let's make use of this real estate listing presentation. Let's make use of this that pillar on the bar. Let's make use of it. You now press select. By selecting it, it's going to take you directly to an interface where you upload your files. You see these files we have here. All these files have already been uploaded into Canva. Maybe when I was designing something or something else. So if you have anything you want to upload in that, if it is not in these files, you will need to upload the files. You press upload files. You press upload files. This is it here. By pressing it now, you see it's going to take you directly to your file manager. To your file manager, you can see all these are what I have in my file. If I have anything I want to upload there, let's say I want to upload this. By uploading this, I will find it directly in those files, which means I can directly upload it into the mockup. So all these are what I already have in it. So that's how I used to. It's because of the network here. That's why this is not loading rightly. But let me make use of one of the pictures that we have here. Let me make use of this. We press next. So let's see the magic. Can you see the magic? Wow, can you see the magic? Great. Wow. See my picture. All these are what they call it throw pillow. This one kind thing one girl use one marry one guy. Can you see it now? Wow, this is great. So another thing is you can adjust the image. If you feel that the image is not clear enough, you can adjust it. You can adjust the image. You can see fit it to the screen. You can also fill it up. Fit. You can see fit and fill. This is fit. So I want it to fit. It will fit to it. If you want it to fill up, that it will fill up with, you can see this is fill. Let me fill it now. You now come down. If you want it to be on the left side, it's going to come to the left side. On the right side, it's going to come to the right side. But center, let me put the center. So let's save it and let's see what it's going to bring for us. So you are welcome once again to the house of Noblemind Academy. We teach you a lot of things. Here we unlock it in a simplest way. So that's why we are different. So you can see it now. Save mockup. By saving it, let's see. We are saving our mockup. You too can go and try it. Get your Canva. Try a lot of things. We have a lot of things there. Download. You can even use it in a design also. Yes, you design this for a customer, for a client. What do you think? Wow. Nǹkan tó bá béèrè ló máa fún ẹ now. Okay, I've already downloaded it. Let me go and check it. It's going to be in my gallery. That one is for sure. I don't want to send it. Or should I send it directly to my group? No, don't let me send it. So where is the gallery? It's going to be in my gallery. That one is for sure. Let's go. Come on, this gallery used to hide though. Because my gallery is also Noble. That's why the gallery used to hide itself. Yeah, this guy, they open me too much. Wow. We are getting there already. I believe this class is long, but once you achieve what you need there, so you have no reason to tell me, say, why this class come long like this? No, we are here to learn. We are here to teach ourselves. So make sure you practice. As I always said, don't create something invaluable. Always create something valuable. Whatever practice you want to do, always create something valuable. Wow, you can see it now. We already have it in my gallery. Can you see it now? Wow, what a lovely mockup. So this was I can use. But as a student, please go and try. So we meet in the next class. So till we meet, Assalamu alaikum.